Sir Harry Robb Ricardo was a British mechanical engineer, one of the most prominent designers and research in the early years of the development of the internal combustion engine. Among his many jobs, he improved the engines used in early battle tanks, oversaw research on the physics of internal combustion that led of the use of the octane number, contributed to the development of the sliding valve engine design, and in high-speed diesel engines are economically feasible. Before graduation, Ricardo had designed a two-stroke motorcycle engine to study the effect of mixture composition of the combustion process. When we graduated, led to a small company expressed an interest in making the engine. Ricardo produced the zinc for two sizes, and of the smallest, he sold about 50 units until in